Jingle Ball sound check. Okay, so I'm walking onto the stage for sound check, playing Kiss FM Jingle Ball tomorrow night. Really excited. Christmas tree, there's another one. That is just the natural lighting happening. Just check that out. That's, look, the forum. Testing, check 1, 2, testing, Jingle Ball. Bill Taylor can't come to the phone right now. Why? Oh, look at them all. Look at all of them. Look at them all. That one's upside down. So I just got off stage at Kiss FM Jingle Ball sound check. Really excited to play tomorrow night. Just want to let you know also you can stream Reputation everywhere now, or at midnight, depending on when midnight is for you, you know. Bye. I'll see. Bye. I'm going to play a show tomorrow. It's too close.